So you are trying to apply for a professional job, but your Gmail display name still some weird nickname from 10 years ago. It looks unprofessional, and we can fix it. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your Gmail display name people can see when you send an email, update your Google account name, or even change your Gmail address. Let's jump into and see how we can fix this. Now let's say you like your current email address, but you just want people to see a different name in their inbox whenever you send them an email. On your computer, open Gmail, type on a GR icon, and then type on See All Settings. Now here you're going to tap on the Account and Import tab, and then you go down to Send Email As. In this section, you tap on Edit Info. Now this is your current display name, but you want people to see a different display name whenever you send an email. Tap on the custom box, type in your preferred name. After typing in your display name here, tap on Save Changes, and then from there people will completely see a different name whenever you send an email. But what if you want to change your name across all Google, like Drive, Photos? Just simple. Open Google on your computer and type on your profile icon in the top right corner. Click Manage Your Account, and then here you go to Personal Info. Click on your name, and then again tap on Name again. Change this to your preferred name, and then click Save. This fixes your name instantly everywhere. Now for the big one, changing your actual Gmail address at gmail.com. Google lets you do this if it's rolled out in your region. Go back to your personal info and then tap on Email. Now if it's available in your region, you can just follow the prompts to change your Gmail. You type in your preferred email address and click Save. After changing your email address, your old email will become an alternative email. And that's it. If this video saved you some major headache, smash that like button and subscribe to the hub for more daily tech updates. Catch up in the next video.